Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me Ramsha Sultan and today I am going to tell you about a homemade face mask which will completely solve all your acne problems. If you're suffering from acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, it is a solution to everything. It is super easy to make and this is going to be a super helpful video for you guys. Let's begin. So the main ingredient in this homemade face mask is apple cider vinegar. Multani Mitti is an ancient Indian ingredient which is very famous for all its good skin loving properties. Apple cider vinegar is a magic product and a boon for all your acne issues. It has antibacterial and anti-fungal properties which kill the pimple causing bacteria. It cleans the pores and takes out all the dirt and grime from your pores, makes your skin completely clean and pimple free. It also shrinks the pores, so if you have a problem of open pores, apple cider vinegar can be really helpful for you. So apple cider vinegar and Multani Mitti together act as a perfect ingredient to treat all your acne issues. They take away all the gunk from the pimples, they kill the pimple causing bacteria and they dry out your pimples very quickly. This face mask is suitable for all skin types. So if you have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin or acne prone skin, you can definitely try out this mask. I remember my teenage self trying out apple cider vinegar home remedies and they used to smell so bad. If I used to bear the smell, everyone around my house used to be like, what have you applied? Please take it off. So I recently came across apple cider vinegar by Wow, and one thing that I absolutely love about it is that it does not smell that bad. It in fact smells decent enough, like you can literally use it for all your DIYs. Since the time I have discovered this apple cider vinegar, I use it for all my home remedies. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.